What internet speed do you really need? Stay if you want to know what the telephone companies don't tell us. Spain is among the largest fiber optic infrastructures in Europe, so how is the connectivity inside our homes? Few people talk about this issue, which is the key to your real speed. Operators are offering us more and more bandwidths and more bandwidths. Right now there are companies that are offering us 300, 600 and even 1 gigabit per second. But is it necessary to contract these plans and expand our bandwidth? We have compiled the bandwidth data of the activities that we consume the most, and the truth is that the data is very surprising. Let's take a look at the real needs. For an HD video call with 1-2 megabits per second, we have enough. If we want to add additional people with 1-2 megabits per second will be enough. And if, for example, we wanted to make 10 people with 15 megabits per second, we would have enough. And Netflix, well, to play a movie on Netflix in standard quality will be enough with 3 megabits per second. For example, to play it in HD, it will be 5 megabits per second, and for example, to watch it in Ultra HD at 4K, we will need 25 megabits per second. And for gaming and video games, 10 megabits per second is considered an optimal speed for luxury gaming. Well, let's take, for example, a household of 4 people who are simultaneously using these services. There could be a 10-person video conference where we would be consuming 15 megabits per second. We could have 2 online gamers who would be consuming 10 megabits per second in their rooms, and then we could have another 4th person who would be enjoying Netflix in Ultra HD at 4K, and we'd have another 25 megabits per second. If you add that up, that makes 60 megabits per second. All of these activities simultaneously is less than 100 megabits per second. So why do we need these huge bandwidths? Why does a house or a household of 4 people need 300 megabits per second? Well, the answer is easy and simple. Inside our homes, connectivity is extremely inefficient. Most of us have a single central router with antennas that ends up distributing the signal to the rest of the house. As a complement, we have PLC repeaters, Wi-Fi repeaters that extend the signal to those areas where we have less coverage. Well, these methods are very inefficient. In short, we dissipate the megabytes that we receive without taking advantage of them. We have the perception that it does not work for us, and we contract more tariffs. This is exactly what they expect us to do. Companies and operators have entered into a marketing war to offer us many more megabytes, 300, 600, 1,000, and soon they will be more than 1,000. And the higher the speed, of course, the more you pay. For the companies, it is important that we pay high internet rates, and although with 100 megabits per second we have more than enough for a luxury connection, they end up pushing us to contract rates of 300 or 400 euros a year easily. The reality of all this is that improving connectivity within our homes would be enough with the cheapest plans on the market for most cases. But of course, who wants to do work in their home to improve connectivity? Wiring is the solution, but is it worth it? Until now, optimizing connectivity within our homes depended on having a proper wiring tailored to those rooms, which some of the houses, for example, of new construction already have. They already have different internet points in different parts of the house in their rooms, but most of our homes are 10, 20, 30 or 60 years old. How do we update them? One of the newest, most innovative, simple and economical solutions to get out of this situation is plastic optical fiber, or FOF. Plastic optical fiber is a very simple and flexible type of fiber that allows us to pass through the electrical conduits that we have in our home and allows us to reach that other point or room with the maximum speed that our router gives us, 100%. The plastic optical fiber is revolutionary because it allows us to multiply the input speed at different access points. So if, for example, we have only 50 Mbps contracted, we will get those 50 Mbps intact in the points to which we have repeated, and we will enjoy the maximum speed. FOF is gaining ground because it is very simple and easy to install. It is so easy to install that there are self-installable kits so that DIY enthusiasts can install it themselves in just a few minutes. DIYers can do the installation themselves in just a few minutes. In the long run, the investment pays off. There is a huge variety of offers, almost all linked to telephone and television contracts. Right now, the offers available to us could be as follows. We could be talking about 600, 700 euros for a speed of 600 Mbps. 300 Mbps, we could be talking about 420 euros. And a 100 Mbps contract could be around 360 euros. Of course, it depends on each operator, but our advice is to analyze your internet usage and needs. How many people do you connect simultaneously? What use do you make of the internet? Do you make video conferences? Do you watch movies on online platforms like Netflix? Do you play online games? With that, you can make a concrete analysis of what you need. We bet you won't need more than 100 Mbps. In the medium term, with an optimization of connectivity within our home, we can be talking about a considerable bill reduction. We could be talking about 200 euros per year, not insignificant. If you telework, if you play online games, if you enjoy video streaming platforms, we invite you to make this analysis, listen to the experts, and especially to those users who are already enjoying it at home. If teleworking, 4K streaming, or gaming are among your priorities, we invite you to reflect on this topic. We invite you to listen to the experts and to the users who are already enjoying it at home. Thank you for reaching the end of the video. We are open to answer any questions you may have. You can find more information at actelser.com. See you next time.